All right, so we have a 2023 Corvette Stingray R. The newest C8 updates. Started about a couple years ago. I loved it. New to the Corvette scene, but I loved it. It went to, in my opinion, an official supercar. Engine in the back, big old LS. I don't know which generation of LS they are, but it is a beautiful, beautiful car. I love it.
What's going on, everybody? We just prepped the C8. Now we're about to start polishing. One of the very first steps we always do before we start polishing is measure how much clear coat we have. You always want to be safe. Now, most paint thickness gauges will read the substrate if it's any form of metal. However, most Corvettes are going to be made of fiberglass, so your traditional paint depth gauge is not going to work. So what we have here is something that you're probably not going to see most detailers use. This is a ultrasonic coating thickness gauge. And so what this allows us to do is actually to read other substrates, plastic, carbon fiber, or in this case, fiberglass. So it's going to look a little bit like a pregnancy test. So what you want to do is just dab just a little bit on the surface here. And you want to kind of spread that out. There you go, that's all you need. We'll set this off to the side. All right. So we measure in microns. And then what you want to do, fold this down, you'll get a reading. We'll take a couple readings here. All right. So what this allows us to do is to be really confident in how aggressive we can be. Now again, with this car's brand new, we don't have to be aggressive. Our main goal here is let's get it as glossy as we can, and then let's lock in that gloss with our professional grade ceramic coating.
Okay, so there are decals and other forms of decal adhesive-ish parts in the car, and you don't really want to hit them with polish, so we're just going to tape them up so that way when we go over it, we don't hit it with the polisher and kind of ruin the decals. So we're just going to go ahead and tape them up with some masking tape, and we'll get started.
Well, ladies and gents, we're about to polish this car. Today we're going to be using Embark. Why are we using Embark? I'm going to tell you why. This product is good and it doesn't dust. So compared to perfect finish, right here, this is perfect finish. This stuff is good too. The only issue I have with this is just it dusts too much. So that's why I prefer Embark. So Embark all day.
love orange on cars, man.
Yeah, I know. I saw a beautiful orange Corvette here the other day. Is that your car?
It's my dream car.
This is my dream.